What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the crypto babe, postcard diva. I am back. How's everybody doing out there today? If you're here for the very first time, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. We're back with the daily pay income system. www.thecopypastemethod.com. Go check it out. All right, this is a digital program, guys, where we promote digital products. Okay, but not just any digital products that you can actually learn from and earn daily pay. Okay, we show you how, step by step. And I'm here just to show you guys, guess what? Another proof payment that this thing works, and then also kind of just show you our community, because that's the other thing that I found. I can get out here and promote. This is what I've been doing. I've learned the skill, and I'm still always learning and trying to better my craft, right? But digital marketing is my thing, my number one way to earn online, as I've said this before to you guys, right? Now, I have tweaked some things with the program, with the digital marketing program that I partnered with back in 2021. Okay, I've been promoting this since 2021, guys. All right, so just changing just a few things, doing some different things, marketing a different way. I have recently earned some additional members, okay, which in turn earns me commissions. And that's what has happened today once again with the daily pay system. Okay, so I like the community. I think that's the biggest thing. For me, I was looking at when I bring folks in, okay, not only are they going to get the digital products, that's great, they can log into the membership area, get all the training there, but we have added some more value to it, okay, bigger than me, right? Because it's bigger than me. That's what I was looking at. When I bring people in, especially newbies, right, it's good for them to be able to see and fellowship with other people, like-minded newbie people. Hey, I'm not techie, I'm a new person. Hey, I'm over 50. Hey, I'm retired. Hey, I'm a stay-at-home mom. You know, all the things, people from all walks of life. And to be able to see other people just like yourself, not even from this industry, come and just follow just a few steps and see results. That's what I love to see, okay? And that's what other people are loving as well. And it's inspiring, right? Every day, all day, to see people say, hey, I'm new, I just got started 2 weeks ago, and hey, I made my first sale, I followed, you know, a few simple steps, hey, I made a video, and it's inspiring. Everybody's excited, right? So that's what we have here, a tight-knit community. The only way to get in is you have to be invited. I have to share my link with you. What happens is once you get started, you make your payment, you purchase your digital product, okay? I'll send you personally an email from me, and I will have my link on there that will take you to the group, to our group. We're not on Facebook. We have a app, okay? So there's a few questions you're going to have to answer, and then you will get approved. All right, but it's for paid members only. We just don't add people to the group. So paid members only. You would have purchased a product from me, so I'll get you in and get you started. But it's an awesome place to be. It's a vibe. All right, so let's take a look into the group here real quick. I want to show you guys some things, but guys, all we're doing is following a few simple steps. All right, so don't worry about, well, I don't have any experience, I'm not technical. Any of that stuff doesn't matter. Okay, if you're coachable, if you're committed, and can you press play okay, on some videos? Can you copy paste? You can do this. Can you cut out 2 hours of your day? All right, You can make it happen. Okay, so let me show you something here. Let's look at something. Hang on a second. Okay, once you get started, once you become a part of our community, for an example, look at our calendar here. For today, on Friday the 17th, we had at 3 o'clock a tech call. Okay, so where you get your technical questions answered. How cool is that? You may say, hey, I've been working on my funnel, I got stuck here. Any technical things that may have popped up, guess what? On Friday, you can get on the Zoom, get your questions answered. Yesterday, we had a Pinterest workshop, which was awesome because I've never really did anything in Pinterest. That's one platform I've never touched. So it was good to see how that works, and I'm going to start in Pinterest as well. Okay, so it was a great workshop. Then we had on Wednesday a networking, we call it a networking event, where everybody can get on, because a lot of people not only are just promoting the digital products that we have this program, people have other programs or businesses that they have, right? So it's a good way to network. And then we had our 6-figure blueprint Zoom here, strategies and things of that nature, on Tuesday. And then Monday, 8 o'clock, what was that one? I can't remember what that was. Hang on a second. I didn't want to click it and have the link there. It was the Mentoring Monday Zoom. Okay, so as you can see, a lot is going on here. Good stuff though. Okay, and remember, this is free. Okay, when you get started with me, this is going to be free. You don't have to pay anything to be a part of this. Not to mention, did I mention this? You get a free sales funnel, guys. Okay, free sales funnel. Okay, which is awesome. You gotta have a funnel if you're gonna be promoting digital products, a digital program, a online business, period. You should have a funnel. So all that's included. So anyway, just want you to see what we've got here. All right, now let's take a peek also in our community. Now what I've done here is I typed the word newbie up in the search bar within the community. I just wanted to see what came up. Now we're at 5,600 members, by the way. This has grown. I've only been a part of the community, going on to my second week. I think it was 5,100 when I got in, or 5,200. So we're growing by leaps and bounds. Okay, but people are paid members here. Okay, now I typed newbie in. I just wanted you to see what's happening here. I typed the word newbie. I am new and so willing to learn and to grow new levels of income. Such a newbie, don't know where to start. Any help would be great. So I just want you to see this. Hi, I'm new. I'm excited to be here. Looking for stories from other newbies. I mean, I think it searched 457 different posts, guys. Okay, so you're not alone. You're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. Okay, so it's all walks of life here. Okay, and we welcome you. All right, I'm just going to show you another proof payment. Okay, we are cranking this thing up. It is 2023. We're going to close out strong, and we're going to go forward in 2024 strong with our digital business. Okay, so check it out. 300. Now look over here to the right. Today is the 17th, right? 1:42 a.m. You can believe. Trust me when I tell you, I was asleep. Okay, so shout out to another payment. You see this? Tells you here it's for the training. Okay, so this was a successful credit card, debit card payment I received. All right, guys, so I can show you how to do it. Very simple if you're coachable. Okay, marketing, love it, love it, love it. Number one, as you can see, get paid in your sleep. Once you set these systems up, tongue twister, the systems does the heavy lifting. Once we set everything in motion, right, we got our capture page. People will opt in. They see the information. The video is going to explain everything. There'll be a button for them to press just like this. Click a button, make a payment. You've set up the ways you want to receive payments, I accept debit cards, credit cards, Cash App. Boom. Once this stuff is set up, just like Amazon, you make a payment, you click a button, make it the payment, you get paid, right? So that is what happens over and over and over to us in our community. All right, so you can become a part of our active community. This year, we are a tight-knit community and would love to inspire you. The entire community is available to help you with your learning process. Answer your questions, make this new experience much more fun and enjoyable for you. All right, guys. So if you're interested in getting started in learning and earning digital marketing, we can show you how. Very simple. It's not complicated. Trust me when I tell you. All right, guys, go check it out. www.thecopypastemethod.com. All right. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.